Hi, welcome to Subscriptions Galore. My name is Kristen. Today I have for you Oyatsubox. Oyatsubox was sent to me by wonderful people who create this box. It is a Japanese subscription food and snack box. In each box, you get 10 to 14 different items. Some items are exclusive just to Japan. It costs $28.99 a month. You can subscribe and do, like a monthly subscription, or you can do a one-time box. They also come with free shipping worldwide, so it doesn't matter where you live. The wonderful people over at Oyatsubox did give me a discount code to share with you guys, and that I will leave in the description below. So, let's get on into this box, shall we? So when you open this box, you have this adorable little paper that is wrapped around all your goodies. And let's flip that down. Alright. It is packed full of stuff. Right on top, we have a bag of potato chips. So from my understanding, this is a honey and cheese. I thought it was butter because that looks like butter to me, but it is cheese. Next, they're from Tahato, and it says salty on it. By the look of them, there's chocolate and cookies. So I'm assuming it's like a salted chocolate cookie. And these are from France. Next, we have these potato, like sticks almost. I think that's what they are. And I could not figure out what these are. It says aji curry. So I think they are a type of like curry flavor. But Google Translate wouldn't read the rest of the packaging. So other than that, I don't know. Next we have also from Tahato. These are chocolate or choco sand. They look like a chocolate or egg, like a vanilla type of cookie with chocolate in between of them. Next we have a choco chip scone, and you can see it on the back. It feels like it's a soft cookie. These are from the company Ginbis. Okay. And they say on them mini asparagus biscuits. That's what they look like. Now, I did read the ingredients below with Google Translate, and not Google Translate. I did read the ingredients below. They do have them printed in English, and there's no asparagus in them. So I'm wondering if they're called asparagus biscuits because of the shape of them. Next, in this box came 3 little bars. The first one we have, now, again, I could not figure out what these were, other than I think they're like a food supplement type of bar, which I'm not a big fan on. Excuse me. Most food supplement bars I think taste disgusting, so, we'll try them out and see. This one, I have no idea what it is. It looks like it might be some sort of like a s'more type of bar with marshmallow and chocolate. This one has a picture of a cheesecake on it, so I'm assuming it's cheesecake flavored. And this one is very thick and dense compared to the last one. The last one is kind of crumbling. And then this one looks like a chocolate strawberry. It has a picture of strawberry, so I'm assuming it's strawberry flavored, but it looks like chocolate also. So for the candy, we have these lemon, they're like, I don't know, tablets. Well, they feel like this picture right here. They're kind of soft, and from the translation, they sound very sour. From my understanding, they're a very sour lemon candy. Next, we have a little cookie celebrating 90 years of Disney, or of Mickey. and it's a cookie covered in chocolate. Heart chocolate, and it says peanuts also, so I'm assuming there's peanuts in here. It is completely melted. It is no longer a heart. When I first got it, it was complete goo. Next, we have this cute little package, and even on the back, I don't know if you can see it, but there's like cat ears and a cat tail, and just like this cute little collar that goes all the way around the kitty. And inside, it's these two gumballs. The gumballs are just plain white. All the printing is on the packaging. I say gumballs. I honestly don't know. It might not be gum. It could just be candy, kind of like a jawbreaker or that kind of thing. I honestly don't know what these are. Next, we have this cute, adorable packaging. On this side, it looks like a groundhog or woodchuck type of a creature, and then on this side is a little bunny rabbit. And again, my phone would not read the writing here, so I have no idea what it is. Reading the ingredients, it is fruit flavored, but I don't know, I have no idea what exactly this is. So if you are not an adventurous person, this box is not for you. Again, next I have this candy, and this is the last of the candies. It is lemon flavored. It has lemons all over the packaging, and then it does say lemon on it. No idea what kind of candy it is, if it's, supposed to be chewy, crunchy, fizzy, whatever. I don't know. There's, nothing on there. And last but not least, I guess last for the food type of items is our drink. And it is a ume soda. I hope I'm saying that correctly. And from my understanding, ume is a type of like Japanese plum type of thing, so it's a plum soda. The last thing is our toy, and these toys are like I think they called them the gachapon toys, and there's a certain area in Japan that is known for these, market that's known for these toys, and so these toys come straight from that market. So I got a little stamp, and it looks almost like a little Daisy stamp, like Daisy and Donald Duck from Disney. I could be wrong. Oh no, it does say Disney on it, so it is. So 14 snack items plus the toy and the drink, so it's 16 items in total, and again, the price per box is $28.99 with free shipping. I am going to try a few things, not everything, because I don't want to open up everything. That's a lot of stuff, and I'm not going to eat it all right away. Or honey and mascarpone cheese. Okay. Honestly, if Google Translate hadn't told me that this was a cheese, I would still assume that it's butter. They honestly taste like popcorn, weirdly enough, like a butter popcorn flavor with like a sweet hint, like a sweet honey hint, kind of like kettle corn, but with like a very strong butter flavor. I'm not getting any like cheese flavor. Next, I'm going to try these lemon candies. We'll give that a go. In this package, like, I had to rip off the top, and then it is sealed. So if you don't eat them all, you can just zip it closed and not worry about them spilling all over the place, which is a great idea. Okay. They have like this white powder on them, and they are like bendy. They're almost like a gummy. But I'm wondering if the white powder is sour. They do smell very strong of lemon. Delicious. Very delicious. And like I thought, the powder on the outside was the sour. Now, I love Warheads, so when this was saying, like, extreme sour, I was expecting, like, extreme, like, kind of, like, punch you in the mouth sour, like, ooh. But it wasn't. They're sour, but almost like a lemon head sour. Not overly extreme. But the gummy on the inside is very, very chewy. Let's try this bar. So it does have a light covering, and you can see the dark bar underneath it. It is a very soft bar, and there are chunks of stuff in there. Very strong strawberry smell, like artificial strawberry smell. I don't think this is a meal replacement bar, or at least none that I've ever tasted. It's delicious. It's got the strawberry coating on the outside, and you know, those are kind of like waxy-ish coatings. And then you've got, I don't know if you can see like this chunk right here, the white bits of like vanilla cookie balls in there, and so they're very crunchy. And then the dark is almost like crushed up Oreo cookies. Like, I don't know, it's like a chocolatey, kind of slightly crispy, but it's like crumbly, crunchy. Let's try the drink. Very light scent coming from it. Not a very strong, overpowering flavor or even like a huge sweetness. I think I'm going to go with the salted chocolate. So inside is a little tray, and in the tray is individually wrapped cookies. So that is what it looks like, and they're shiny. They have like a little glaze on top. Okay, strange flavor. I mean, not flavor. Texture. The flavor's delicious. The flavor's chocolatey, just like a brownie. Okay, so when you put it in your mouth, it just like immediately crumbles into like this almost sandy texture. But it's not like drying. It doesn't like suck the moisture out of your mouth or anything like that. And then as you continue to chew it, then like weird things happen, and it turns almost pasty again. Very strange. I think I'm going to go with this one. Doesn't really smell like much of anything. And as I'm rubbing it, it's very kind of powdery, chalky. Very powdery, almost chalky. Like it just like dust. When like it's crunchy and then you start to chew it and it just like turns into dust, but then dissolves into your mouth. Not a very strong berry flavor. It's delicious. To be honest with you, I was a little nervous about getting this subscription. I was just very concerned that there'd be a lot of things that I wasn't going to like in this box. But honestly, everything in here is not weird, if that makes sense. You know, like, I mean, it's different, it's unique, but it's not like I go and go, oh, no way, I'm not trying that. It piques my interest in trying new things. Thank you, Oyatsubox, for sending me this box. It was wonderful. I absolutely loved it. If you enjoyed this, remember there is a discount code in the description below, so check that out. Let me know in the comments below what you thought the most unique item was, and what item you would be most excited about trying if you got this box. Thanks for watching. If you are new to my channel, please click on the subscribe button and don't forget to click on the little bell notification so you are notified every time I upload a video. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Bye.